A couple of weeks ago, I purchased a kit from Make.N, and if you purchase this kit, you get to take a free online class. Let me just say that when I got this kit, I was so amazed by the quality of these charms. Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me already, I am Mally, licensed nail tech and educator. I was so surprised by the quality of these charms that I went ahead and purchased a second kit. And I was looking at these charms, I just felt like for the money, buying the kit again would just be worth it a little bit more than buying the smaller batch. I wanted to dive in a little bit deeper because I wanted to compare them to like Amazon. Now, I don't have any charms from like AliExpress or Temu, but the quality of them might just be the same as Amazon. I do have some charms from Amazon. I wanted to compare the quality of it. I first purchased this kit. It really changed my mind about the quality of these charms. So let's go ahead and dive in a little bit deeper by comparing the two.
All right, so here's the kit. Just gonna open it up and kind of show you. I just think that the little box that they put it in is so cute. It makes it really luxury, almost as if you're buying a brand name purse. So I thought this was really cute. In this kit, you got a parts gel and a cover gel. And then you get a good amount of charms with it. And then, of course, your stickers. Now, if you look at this kit overall, I just feel it's a little bit more worth it than buying charms either individually or in smaller kits. I did get this little kit here, and with this kit, it almost costs the same as the kit with the gel. So I don't know, you guys can compare. I just feel like if I'm gonna spend this much amount, I might as well just get the kit with everything in it and then buy this at an extra cost. What made me decide to buy this kit was a lot of the bigger charms that it came with. Okay, right here are my charms that I have gotten from Amazon. And I have my silver ones here and my gold ones here. I'll try to find one that is pretty close to the same design, just so you guys can really see the difference. Just move this so you guys can see it a little bit clearer. I'm going to be comparing this one. So this is how the Make.N one looks like. And the closest one that I could find from my Amazon collection was this one. But I just want you to kind of recognize how it's oddly warped a little bit and how the placement of the crystals aren't really aligned well. So you have a gap over here, and then there's that crystal, and then the crystal. Right? But do you guys see the difference from this one to this one? I can definitely just tell the difference just looking at it right away. I just wanted to compare this middle piece here. This one is from a different nail shop that I bought it from. And I feel like comparing these two, because these two are from Make.N, they are pretty close. I ran out of my gold one, so I'm just comparing it to my silver one. I hope you can see the difference between Amazon, another nail shop, and then Make.N's. Everybody's nail charms are a tad different depending on who you're buying it from and who's making them. I'm just gonna lay out the ones that I want to use for this nail design. Maybe I'll go with this one. Whenever you are wanting to put gems, make sure you just lay it all out so you kind of see what you're going to be putting together. It just works so much better than trying to come up with the idea in your head. Maybe use that one. One thing I did notice while taking this class is a lot of these bigger gems, they kind of go together. And then you kind of fill in the gap. I have my tip ready. This kind of just gives me a guide, right? So when you do a design, your design should be a guide to where you're going to be putting your gemstone. So when I have a French kind of guiding me, I know, okay, well, this is very distracting, the glitter part. I'm going to build it from up here and then bring it down and then ending with just a small little gap here to still show the glitter through. Because we know it's an empty spot. So we just kind of want to match this top to this bottom heavy design. I'm using my warped brush here. Don't be like me and don't take care of your brush. And this is one of my oval brush that I did not take care of it. So now I'm just using it to put like very heavy duty gels, like for rhinestones or just encapsulating. And I'm just gonna brush it all the way down to where I think my design will end. And I feel like it'll be right here. Just adding a little bit more in the middle because I know my heavier gems are going there. Thinking I'm gonna go with this one. See how pretty that is already. Just making sure it's even on all sides. And I'm thinking I'm going to add the chain around it. Start from where the French line is and just wrapping it around. So I'll kind of measure things. Just gonna cut this off screen here. Chains can be kind of tricky, so make sure that you're fixing it and laying it flat. Too much on this side, so I'm going to pull it a little bit. Okay, there's that. There you have it. I need to add something here, but maybe down here, I'm just gonna add a smaller gem. I'm gonna do a little flash here just so it doesn't move down here. Should I do this one? Maybe on top? Yeah, kind of like a little princess hat. So now you have more bling bling on top, and then matching your glitter down here, and your color is still showing through. Look how cool that is. All right, it's looking so pretty already. Okay, now we're gonna take the cover gel. I feel like you don't have to invest in the cover gel if you don't really need to, because another great one that you can also use, and it works just as well, is this one. And you can go standard or thick, because we are using Make.N, so might as well, right? Might as well use their cover gel. Just taking my striper brush, and I'm gonna start filling the cracks and crevices of everything, because we all know getting these kind of stuff stuck in our hair is not fun, and it can get really annoying. Okay, so with Make.N Charms, make sure you cap the pearl. When I took the class, she mentioned that, and I was not listening. So by the time I was wiping everything down, the color of the pearl started to become matte, and I did not like it. Make sure you cover these little, what do you even call these? Teeth that secures around the rhinestone. Just be very careful around your rhinestones. And of course, don't forget the little rhinestone down here. Encapsulate. I will top coat to finalize everything. I like to do one last top to finalize everything. And there you have it. Look how pretty this is. And remember to do the feel test, because you always want to make sure nothing is like poking and whatnot. I can feel that right here needs a little bit more gel, just because of these the little teeth that holds the rhinestone, and a little bit down here. But because it is just a demo tip, I'm not going to do that. But if you are doing this on a client, make sure that you are encapsulating these. And there you have it.
All right, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did, comparing these two charms, one by Make.N and the others are from Amazon. Purchasing this kit myself, I was able to really see the quality of these charms, and it has definitely changed my mind on investing in these charms. Of course, if you enjoyed this video, remember to hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.